Good afternoon, children. As we have started a new chapter, Inspiring Personalities, in our previous class, let's proceed with the lesson. And in today's class, we shall know about Rajaram Mohan Roy, Abraham Lincoln, and Swami Vivekananda. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy was born on May 22nd, 1772 in Bengal. Along with Sanskrit, Persian, and Arabic literature, he was expertise with Hindu scriptures like Vedas and Upanishads. He even learned Hebrew and Greek languages. Children, he was one of the earliest socio-religious reformers and the founder of Brahmo Samaj. The main purpose of this group was to remove the caste system. He was also against idol worship, caste system, child marriage, sati, and polygamy. Children, the meaning of polygamy is the practice of having more than one wife or husband at the same time. And sati means the evil practice of burning a woman alive on her husband's funeral pyre. After taking many steps, he was successful in convincing the Governor General Lord William Bentinck to stop this sati system in India. With his continuous effort, a law to prohibit the sati system was created in the year 1829 with the help of Lord William Bentinck. Next, let's know about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th President of the United States. Children, he was born on February 12, 1809 in Kentucky in the USA. Children, he was self-educated and also known for his honesty. One day, when he was working in a general store, customer paid some extra pennies at the general store by mistake. After the store closed, Abraham Lincoln walked for miles to return those extra pennies. Since then, he was given the title Honest Abe. Children, Lincoln always wanted to work for humanity. You know, he did not go to a law school. He studied on his own and passed a law exam to become a lawyer. He was a lawyer and in 1846, he was elected to the US House of Representatives. He worked hard for the development of the community but was not very successful in politics. Children, still he continued to serve the people and wanted to remove the system of slavery for the United States. In the year 1860, he became the 16th President of United States. Children, the southern states in America wanted to set up a separate nation. The slaves who worked in the cotton plantations in the southern states were treated badly and the northern states were against slavery. The southern states were eventually defeated by the northern states in the Civil War. During the Civil War, Lincoln delivered his famous speech at Gettysburg, "Government of the people, by the people, and for the people." 2 years after the Civil War, a law was passed that banned slavery and made it punishable. Children, again in the year 1864, Abraham Lincoln was re-elected as the President of the United States. The southern states rejoined the Union. He was assassinated in 1865 in Washington. Assassinated means murdered or killed. Come on, children. Now let's know about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on January 12, 1863 as Narendranath Datta. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. Children, he believed and preached that service to mankind is service to God. He was the disciple or follower of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He urged Indians to take pride in their ancient culture. Children, he also founded the Ramakrishna Mission, which has branches all over the world, and runs schools, ashrams, and hospitals. In the year 1893, he traveled abroad for the first time to be a part of the world's Parliament of Religion at Chicago in USA. Here, he proclaimed the greatness of Vedanta philosophy and Hinduism. So, children, in today's class we learnt about Rajaram Mohan Roy, Abraham Lincoln, and Swami Vivekananda. The remaining part of the lesson will be continued in next class. Thank you.